Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace. For those of you who don't know me, I am at graceactually on most of my social media handles. I will link everything down below for you. Today I'm going to be doing this look for you right here, which is my current go-to makeup look. This is what I'm doing lately. Normally I don't do a lot of eyeshadows anymore, but because today I'm going to go grab lunch with my girlfriend, it's Saturday here right now, I decided to do a little fall look for everyone. Even though we don't get fall here in Bangkok. I also got some new jewelry from Her Objective, which you guys would have already seen in my last MT's video, but I don't think I really talked about it. I got these beautiful kind of like little thick hoop earrings, and I got this necklace right here, which is kind of 2-in-1. I'm going to stand up for you. Without any further ado, let's get to the video. Okay guys, so that was it for my makeup look for today. I really like how this turned out. I was actually kind of going for a fall kind of vibe. I was going to more kind of like browns and oranges, but it came out kind of neutral, but then it amped it up with the berries because of my blush and my Made lip balm, like a very colored lip balm. I'm gonna have to get going because my friend Megan is waiting for me. We're about to go grab some lunch, even though the weather outside is super rainy and wet and gross. But that's just makeup for a rainy season. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed my current go-to makeup routine for October, even though we're like in the middle of it. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys soon.